Hello, I'm Tim McCarty, Senior Vice President of Safety and Risk Consulting. One of the unique challenges for businesses that have vehicles on the road is the risk associated with their operation, or specifically with the drivers. Those drivers are out on the roadway, largely unsupervised, operating on your behalf. There are many things we can do to help the drivers stay safe, but first we need to ask, are they a good driver that's going to represent your company well, or are they going to be a driver that is going to put you at risk? One of the most basic risk management controls that we can do is to check the driver's motor vehicle record, or MVR for short. Standard practice is that these are checked at the employee's time of hire and annually thereafter, although every 6 months is becoming a more common practice. What will this tell us? Well, do they have a valid license? And their driving record says a lot about how much risk they're going to be taking on the roadway with your company. If, for instance, they have a reckless driving conviction, their risk of a collision goes up 325%. And make no mistake, if they get into a collision, their entire driving record is going to be put before the court for review. If a company puts an incompetent driver behind the wheel that they knew about or should have known about, like looking at their MVR, that can result in the potential for a charge of negligent entrustment, which significantly increases the liability and may result in punitive damages if your vehicle was involved in a collision. It's important that this simple control measure of reviewing an MVR against a set criteria be carried out to ensure that your drivers are good to go or may need to be pulled aside for creating too much risk. It's important that this simple control measure of reviewing everyone's MVRs is in place to ensure that you're reducing the risk of your fleet operations. I hope you found this information on MVRs helpful, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our team.